Mewing. Let's start with the cult classic. No, I'm not talking about the sound a cat makes. It's where you press your tongue to the roof of your mouth, right behind your front teeth, and keep it there. All day. Every day. Okay, not like you're trying to push your brain out through your sinuses. Chill, light pressure. Here's what it does. Mewing trains your facial muscles over time, encouraging a more defined jawline and forward face growth, especially if you start young. It also fixes mouth-breathing posture, which makes it look like you're constantly confused. Is it a miracle? No, but over time, you'll go from soft and sleepy to angular and aware. Facial hair framing. Now let's talk facial hair, because when you can't grow bone, grow beard. A clean stubble line can simulate a stronger jaw. A well-faded beard can create contrast. Even a tight goatee can bring attention to your chin, if you actually have one. The key word is maintenance. Trim the neckline, fade the cheeks. Keep it symmetrical. Because nothing screams, "Don't trust me," like a patchy neck beard. Can't grow a beard at all? That's fine. Go clean shaven, just make it intentional. As long as you are putting in effort, people will eventually notice. Posture correction. Posture is the most underrated looksmax tool in existence. Stand tall, and suddenly you look confident, athletic, and like you have a sense of direction. And yes, you can gain up to 2 extra inches in perceived height. That's not a small boost, that's a promotion in the dating pool. Good posture lifts your chest, aligns your spine, and tells the world, "I'm here because I belong here." Bad posture makes your gut pop out, your head sag forward, and your entire vibe say, "I've accepted defeat." Hairline Restoration. Turkey, my friend, is the Disneyland of hairlines. For the cost of a new iPhone, they will extract follicles from the back of your head, the loyal ones that never left, and surgically plant them into your fading front like it's Minecraft creative mode. Tea included, translator included. And unlike your old barber, they won't gaslight you while pushing your hairline back another inch. You also have treatments like minoxidil and finasteride if you're not ready to hop on a plane and come back a new man. Either way, addressing your hairline is a modern rite of passage, and it's way less embarrassing than pretending it's just your natural shape. Skincare routine. You don't need a 14-step routine from a skincare influencer. You need just 3 basic things: cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen. That's it. 1 to clean, 1 to hydrate, 1 to stop the sun from cooking your skin like pizza dough. Good skin makes you look healthier, younger, and more like someone who hasn't been surviving off energy drinks and broken dreams. It also makes people more likely to look you in the eye, since they aren't being distracted by the acne constellation on your forehead. Basic grooming. Eyebrows, acne, nose hair. The small stuff that ruins the big picture. Just clean up the stray hairs so you don't look like a cartoon villain from the neck up. And while you're at it, let's talk about teeth. You don't need veneers that cost more than your rent. Just brush, floss, and throw on some whitening strips, so your smile doesn't look like you brush your teeth with butter. A clean smile is an instant trust boost. Hairstyle selection. Your hairstyle isn't just a personal choice, it's geometry. The wrong haircut can exaggerate the negative parts of your face. The right one can make your jaw pop, your forehead shrink, and improve your overall look. Here's the basics. If you've got a round face, go for height on top and tight on the sides. If it's long, avoid vertical volume unless you want to look like Johnny Bravo. Don't just get a haircut, get the right haircut, one that works with your face, not against it. Also, find a real barber. If your last haircut costs less than a sandwich, you're doing it wrong. Smelling nice. The invisible glow-up. Scent. You don't need cologne that costs as much as your student loans. You just need to not smell like expired socks and self-hatred. Find one simple, clean cologne that fits you. Woody, citrus, fresh, whatever. And apply it like a responsible adult. 1 spray to the neck, 1 to the wrist. Done. Too much, and people will think it's obnoxious. The right scent, though, it lingers. It becomes part of how people remember you.